How much do you love Minecraft? There we go. Start. Think about Minecraft.
It's often heard and said, the mind is racing, but what's happening here is racing with the help of the mind. Let's check out how that happens. So this is called brainwave activity, you said. And your name is?
My name is Arsh Khalifa. We are here at Oasis Mall.
All right.
Where we're doing a brainwave activity.
Okay.
So it's simple. You control the car with the power of your thoughts.
You said car. And that's exactly what my interest is. Yeah, we're doing some racing here. This time not on Yas Marina Circuit or the Dubai Autodrome. We're doing it in Oasis Mall. And it's purely runs on brain power, it seems. So how does it happen? Let's ask Arj Khalifa.
So it works on the alpha waves which is produced by your brain. The alpha waves is at its peak when you're very focused or very concentrated on a certain subject. We'll put this headset on and we'll ask you to think about a specific subject. That's when your concentration is at its peak and the car will start moving. The stronger your thought process, the faster the car moves. We'll time you, and if you do it at the quickest lap time, you win prize.
Great. So the more intense your thought is, it's going to fuel, it's going to drive the car faster. Let's see what are the best times here. Right. So these are great times?
These are the fastest time right now is 3 seconds, 57 milliseconds. So they've completed the lap at the fastest time.
So what did they, let me ask, did they tell you what they were thinking about?
Oh yeah, so that one is an old lady. She was thinking about her child.
Oh wow.
She was thinking about her child and she was very focused upon it. And she was the one who came up with the idea of closing her eyes. She closed her eyes. On the first try itself, she scored that one. So, yeah.
Okay, and the second place?
The second place is also a lady. She was thinking about chocolates.
Chocolates? Great. So it's about the thought. It's not about the activity itself.
Intensity of your thoughts. So you have to focus on that.
All right. So intensity is the key. And the third one?
Third one, I'm not sure. I don't remember.
But those were ladies too?
No, the other one was a guy and this one was a child.
So what did the child think?
I think so. He was thinking about a certain game. So he was thinking about Minecraft.
Oh, really? Yeah. All right. Name?
Ajay.
Ajay. And aapka? Mitul. Nitul 475 too. That's amazing. What were you thinking?
I don't know. I was planned. I was just looking at the car. That's all.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Great. So you were focusing on the
I
cars.
was just trying to watch the car moving around. That's all.
Great.